Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Career Prep. Today we will learn methods to find a number completely divisible by another number. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. Let's start. There are two methods to find a number completely divisible by another number. But before we go on to those two methods, you have to understand a very important concept. Consider a number x. When divided by d, it gives a quotient q and remainder r. This means when a number x is divided by d, you get a quotient q and a remainder r. The fact that you got a remainder r implies that the given number x is not exactly divisible by d. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose we divide 61 by 7. We get 8 as the answer and 5 as the remainder. When you divide 61 by 7, you get 8 as the quotient and 5 as the remainder. Here, 7 is known as the divisor. 61 is known as the dividend. 8 is known as the quotient and 5 is known as the remainder. Thus, divisor D is 7, dividend X is 61, quotient Q is 8 and remainder R is 5 when 61 is divided by 7. Thus, you get this formula: dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. This is a very important formula which will help you to solve many problems under this topic. To find a number exactly divisible by d, either of the following two methods can be used to reduce the remainder to 0. Since if a number is exactly divisible, then the remainder is 0. This means that if a number is exactly divisible by another number, then the remainder is 0. So, to reduce the remainder to 0, there are two methods. If the remainder is 0, then you would have found a number that is exactly divisible by d. So, to make the remainder 0, there are two methods that can be used. Method 1. By subtracting the remainder from the given number or the dividend. Therefore, the required number that is exactly divisible by d is equal to x minus r. The first method says that if you want to find a number that is exactly divisible by d, you have to subtract the remainder from the given number. Therefore, the required number that is exactly divisible by d is x minus r. That is, you have to subtract the remainder from the dividend or the given number. For example, when you divide 61 by 7, you get 5 as the remainder. But you have to get 0 as the remainder, you have to find a number that is completely divisible by 7. So the required number that is exactly divisible by 7 is 61 minus 5, which is 56. 56 is exactly divisible by 7. What you have done here is you have subtracted the remainder from the given number. 61 minus 5. 61 minus 5 gives you 56. 56 is exactly divisible by 7. This is a very important concept. To get a number that is exactly divisible by d, you have to subtract the remainder from the dividend or the given number. Hence, remainder is the least number that can be subtracted from any number to make the number exactly divisible. This is a very important concept. Remainder is the least number that can be subtracted from any number to make it exactly divisible. Now we'll move on to the second method to find a number exactly divisible by d. According to the second method, you'll get a number exactly divisible by d by adding the divisor minus remainder to the given number. Therefore, the required number that is exactly divisible by d is equal to x plus divisor minus remainder. For example, when you divide 61 by 7, you get 5 as the remainder. But to get 0 as the remainder, you have to find a number that's completely divisible by 7. The required number that is exactly divisible by 7 is 61 plus 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 when added to 61 gives you 63. 63 is completely divisible by 7 and you get 0 as a remainder. What you have done here is you have subtracted the remainder from the divisor and the answer you get is added on to the given number. This gives you a number which is exactly divisible by d. Thus, by adding the divisor minus remainder to the given number, you get a number which is completely divisible by the divisor. That is, the required number that is exactly divisible by d is equal to x plus divisor minus remainder. This is a very important concept. Hence, divisor minus remainder is the least number that can be added to any number to make it exactly divisible. Divisor minus remainder is the least number that can be added to any given number to make it exactly divisible. Understand the difference between method 1 and method 2. Method 1, you have found that the remainder is the least number that can be subtracted from any given number to make it exactly divisible. But in method 2, you have found that divisor minus remainder is the least number that can be added to any given number to make it exactly divisible. Hope you have understood the difference. Remainder is the least number that can be subtracted from any given number to make it divisible exactly by another number. Divisor minus remainder is the least number that can be added to any given number to make it exactly divisible by another number. These two concepts are very important to solve many problems under this topic. Please understand this concept correctly. Let's understand the concept you have learned till now with an example. Find the least number that must be subtracted from or added to 78886 to get a number exactly divisible by 423. So you know that the given number is not exactly divisible by 423. You have to find the least number that must be subtracted or added to this number to make it exactly divisible by 423. So first divide 78886 by 423. When you divide this number from 423, you get 186 as the quotient and 208 as the remainder. So remainder is 208. Now to make the given number 78886 completely divisible by 423, there are two methods. The first method is to subtract the remainder 208 from this given number. When you subtract 208 from 78886, you get a number that is completely divisible by 423. The second method is to subtract 208 from 423. When you subtract 208 from 423, you get 215. You have to add 215 to the given number 78886. Then you get a number that is completely divisible by 423. So when you divide 78886 from 423, you get the remainder as 208. The least number that must be subtracted from 78886 to make it exactly divisible by 423 is the remainder, or that is 208. The least number that must be added to 78886 to make it exactly divisible by 423 is the divisor minus remainder, that is 423 minus 208, that is 215. Hope you understood the concept here. The least number that must be subtracted from the given number to make it exactly divisible by the divisor is the remainder. That means you have to subtract the remainder from the given number to get a number that is exactly divisible by the divisor. The second method is to add the second method is to subtract the remainder from the divisor, and the answer you get there you have to add to the given number. Then you will get a number that is completely divisible by the divisor. This is a very important concept. Please understand this correctly. The least number that must be subtracted from the dividend or the given number to make it exactly divisible by the divisor is the remainder. The least number that must be added to the given number to make it exactly divisible by the divisor is divisor minus remainder. Question number 1. What least number must be added to 4000 to obtain a number exactly divisible by 17? You are given 4 answer options. You have to find out which of these numbers must be added to 4000 to get a number that is exactly divisible by 17. For this, first divide 4000 by 17. When you divide 4000 by 17, you get 5 as the remainder. Now you have to find a number that is to be added to 4000. You have to find a number that is to be added to 4000 to make it exactly divisible by 17. The number to be added is nothing but the divisor minus remainder, that is 17 minus 5, which is 12. When you add 12 to 4000, you get 4012, which is exactly divisible by 17. Thus, the number to be added is equal to the divisor minus remainder, which is 17 minus 5, that is 12. So, the correct answer is option A, 12. Question 2. What least number must be subtracted from 5000 to get a number exactly divisible by 23? You are asked to find the least number that must be subtracted from 5000 to make 5000 exactly divisible by 23. You are given 4 answer options. You have to find the correct option, which when subtracted from 5000 makes it exactly divisible by 23. So first divide 5000 by 23. When you divide 5000 by 23, you get 9 as the remainder. So when you subtract 9 from 5000, you get a number that is exactly divisible by 23. So the least number to be subtracted is the remainder itself, that is 9. 5000 minus 9 is 4991, which is exactly divisible by 23. So the correct answer is option D, 9. Question 3. What least number must be added to 1056 to get a number exactly divisible by 23? You are given 4 answer options. You have to find out which of these numbers must be added to 1056 to get a number exactly divisible by 23. So first divide 1056 by 23. When you divide 1056 by 23, you get 21 as the remainder. Now you have to find the least number that must be added. So the number to be added is nothing but the divisor minus remainder. That is 23 minus 21, which is nothing but 2. So when you add 2 to 1056, you get 1058, which is exactly divisible by 23. So the number to be added is 2. So the correct answer is option A, 2. Question 4. On dividing a number by 56, we get 29 as the remainder. On dividing the same number by 8, what will be the remainder? You are given 4 answer options. You have to find out which of these options is the correct answer. Here you have to use the formula divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. In the problem, it's given that the divisor is 56, remainder is 29. We do not know what is the quotient or what is the dividend or the number. So let the quotient be equal to Q and dividend or the number be equal to D. When you substitute all these in the formula, you get 56 multiplied by Q plus 29 is equal to D. That is, the given number is equal to 56Q plus 29. It's also given that you have to divide the same number by 8 to find the remainder. So you have to divide 56Q plus 29 by 8. You have to divide the same number by 8. So 56Q plus 29 divided by 8 to find the remainder. This can be written also as 56 multiplied by Q divided by 8 plus 29 by 8. Since 56 is divisible by 8, 56Q also is divisible by 8. So remainder is 0 when you divide 56 by Q. When you divide 56Q by 8, you get the remainder as 0. When you divide 29 by 8, you get 5 as the remainder. So finally, the remainder is equal to 0 0 plus 5, which is nothing but 5. So the correct answer is option B, 5. Question 5. On dividing a number by 5, we get 3 as the remainder. What will be the remainder when the square of this number is divided by 5? So this means that a number when divided by 5 gives 3 as the remainder. Now we have to square the same number and divide it by 5 and find out what the remainder is. We are given 4 answer options. We have to find out which of these options is the correct answer. Use the formula divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here in the problem it's given that the divisor is 5. The remainder is 3. We do not know what the quotient is or what the dividend is. So let the quotient be equal to Q and the dividend or the number be equal to D. Then substituting all these in the formula, you get 5 multiplied by Q plus 3 is equal to D. This means that the given number is equal to 5Q plus 3. Now you are asked to divide the square of the same number by 5 and find the remainder. Now the number is 5Q plus 3. Square of the same number is 5Q plus 3 the whole squared. You have to divide the square of the same number by 5 to find the remainder. That means 5Q plus 3 the whole squared has to be divided by 5 to find the remainder. 5Q plus 3 the whole squared is similar to A plus B the whole squared. So when you expand 5Q plus 3 the whole squared, you will get 25Q squared plus 30Q plus 9. So you have to divide 25Q squared plus 30Q plus 9 by 5. You can write this fraction as 25Q squared upon 5 plus 30Q divided by 5 plus 9 divided by 5. Since 25 is divisible by 5, 25Q squared is also divisible by 5. So the remainder here is 0. When you take this fraction, since 30 is divisible by 5, 30Q is also divisible by 5. So the remainder here is also 0. When you divide 9 by 5, you get 4 as the remainder. So finally, the remainder is 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is nothing but 4. So the correct answer is option D, 4. Question 6. A number when divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 11. When twice the original number is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 9. What is the value of the divisor? This means that when a number is divided by a divisor, you get a remainder of 11. When twice the same number is divided by the same divisor, you get the remainder as 9. You have to find the value of the divisor. You are given 4 answer options and you have to find which of these 4 answer options is correct. It's given in the question that a number when divided by a divisor leaves a remainder of 11. Here you do not know what the original number is, or what the divisor is, or what the quotient is. So let's assume that the original number is A, and let the divisor be D, and let the quotient be Q. You know that the remainder is 11. So when you divide A by D, you get Q as the quotient and 11 as the remainder. So the number A is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So the number A is equal to DQ plus 11. It's given in the problem that when twice the original number is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 9. So we know from the step 1 that A is equal to DQ plus 11. So twice the original number means 2A. 2A is equal to 2 multiplied by DQ plus 11, or 2A is equal to 2DQ plus 22. Twice A is DQ plus 11. So 2A is equal to DQ plus 11 multiplied by 2. So 2A is equal to 2DQ plus 22. It's given that twice the original number is divided by D. This means 2A is divided by D. So 2DQ plus 22 is divided by D. This fraction can also be written as 2DQ divided by D plus 22 divided by D. 2DQ is divisible by D and will therefore not leave any remainder. The remainder of 9 would be the remainder of dividing 22 by D. This means 2DQ is completely divisible by D, so you won't get any remainder here. But the remainder 9 is got by dividing 22 by D. Only when 22 is divided by 13, we get 9 as remainder. Hence, the divisor is 13. That is, when 22 is divided by 13, we get 9 as the remainder. So, the correct answer is option A, 13. Viewers, please go through this video till you are perfect with the concept. Watch our next video to learn how to find the greatest n-digit number and least n-digit number exactly divisible by a number. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.